Yo, what's up guys, it's Anthony. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be demoing off Silent Rage 200 gram version. This is how it looks. Here's the performance. Gold Wave Red strobe with Gold Wave Green strobe. It's a 8-shotter, as you can see right there. 8 shots. So yeah, I'll be right back with the demo. Alright guys, it's time to finally light off Silent Rage 200 gram version. So here we go. Light it! Oh. Well, that one was my favorite so far. That was Silent Rage 200 gram version 8 shot. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.